Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to turn off Snapchat location. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat app. Then on the bottom left corner, tap on Snapchat map. Now on the top right corner, tap on settings icon. When you enter on the settings section, then you need to toggle on ghost mode. Now it won't allow your friends to see your location. Here you get options 3 hours, 24 hours until turn off. Choose according to your preference. Now your friends can't see your location, and the next step is go back to your home page. Now next step is let's go to settings. Scroll down and you need to go to privacy. And when you enter on the privacy, again let's tap on privacy dashboard. When you enter on the privacy dashboard, tap on location. Again you need to tap on Snapchat. When you enter on the Snapchat, then tap on location, and here you get options for location access. Let's tap on don't allow, and in this way you can turn off Snapchat location. And here you can see your location is not traced, and this is how we can turn off Snapchat location. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming video. Thank you.